Hey, family. It finally happened. TikTok banned me. They said I was sharing misleading health information. But I was sharing truth about how Moringa, olive oil, and God's original design are helping people to get their health back. I have seen diabetes reversed, pain gone, energy restored, sugar addiction broken after 20 years because we stopped depending on pills and started depending on purpose. This is not hype. It is divine design. The body wants to heal. And Moringa. It is part of God's original pharmacy. You can ban my TikTok, but you cannot ban this mission. You cannot ban God's medicine. Download the Eden Wellness app. Join the Crave No More Circle. Watch the content they did not want you to see. Go to www.eden-wellness-moringa.ihub.app. This is not the end. This is the exodus from TikTok to redirect to bigger and better things. Let's go.